Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 cat foods on Amazon, perfect for keeping your furry friends healthy, happy, and purring with delight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description below. Whether you're looking for hairball control, weight management, or just a tasty kibble your cat will love, we've got something for every feline. All the links are in the description, so let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, Meow Mix Original Choice Dry Cat Food, 6.3-pound bag. A delicious and nutritious choice for your cat. If you're looking for a dry cat food that combines great taste with balanced nutrition, Meow Mix Original Choice Dry Cat Food is an excellent option. This 6.3-pound bag is packed with flavors your cat will love and the nutrients they need to thrive. Meow Mix is known for its irresistible taste, and this original choice blend delivers a medley of chicken, turkey, salmon, and ocean fish flavors. It's a perfect option for picky eaters and food-loving felines alike. Every bite is designed to keep your cat excited about mealtime. But it's not just about taste. Meow Mix also focuses on health. This formula provides 100% complete and balanced nutrition for adult cats, making it ideal for everyday feeding. With high-quality protein, it helps support strong muscles and an active lifestyle. The crunchy kibble also helps promote healthy teeth and gums. Made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients, this cat food meets high standards for quality and safety. It's been trusted by cat owners for years and continues to be a bestseller in dry cat food on Amazon. Boasting over 46,000 positive reviews and a 4.7-star rating at just $9.29 for a 6.3-pound bag, about $1.47 per pound, it's a budget-friendly choice without sacrificing quality. You can also enjoy fast, free shipping with Amazon Prime and save even more with available discounts. Meow Mix Original Choice is a proven favorite among cats and their owners. It delivers delicious flavor, essential nutrients, and outstanding value all in one bag. If you want a dry food your cat will love and you can feel good about, this is it. Next up, number at 4, Purina Cat Chow Naturals Indoor Dry Cat Food, 13-pound bag. Support hairball control, healthy weight, and complete indoor nutrition. When it comes to caring for your indoor cat, nutrition plays a key role in their health, comfort, and energy. Purina Cat Chow Naturals Indoor Dry Cat Food is specially formulated to meet the unique needs of indoor cats, offering benefits for hairball control, weight management, and overall wellness, all in one convenient 13-pound bag. This formula features real chicken and turkey as the first ingredients, delivering the high-quality protein your cat craves and needs for lean muscle maintenance. With a natural fiber blend, this food is designed to help reduce hairballs, a common issue for indoor cats who spend more time grooming. In addition to hairball support, this dry food promotes healthy weight management thanks to a calorie-conscious formula tailored for less active indoor lifestyles. It's packed with 25 essential vitamins and minerals, providing complete and balanced nutrition for adult cats. Free from artificial flavors and preservatives, Purina Cat Chow Naturals is a wholesome, natural recipe that supports healthy skin, a shiny coat, and strong immunity. The pellet-style kibble helps clean teeth with every bite, supporting dental health over time. At just $16.99 for a 13-pound bag, approximately $1.31 per pound, it's not. At number 3, we have IAM's Proactive Health Indoor Weight Control. Complete and balanced for adult cats. 100% nutrition, 0% fillers. This dry cat food supports whole body health with essential nutrients and is enriched with antioxidants for a strong immune system. Hairball control. Cat food. IAM's Proactive Health Dry Cat Food is formulated with a proprietary fiber blend with beet pulp that helps reduce hairballs before they start. Weight control cat food. This adult dry cat food is formulated with L-carnitine to help your indoor cat burn fat and maintain a healthy metabolism so they can continue to live a happy life. Nourishes a healthy heart. Packed with essential nutrients like calcium and potassium, IAM's Proactive Health Indoor Cat Food helps nourish a healthy heart for your cat. Helping keep pets healthy for life. The IAM's brand believes all pets deserve the best nutrition to support them at every stage of life, which is why our portfolio of wet and dry cat food for kittens, adult cats, and seniors provides tailored nutrition for every cat's unique need. In second place, Solid Gold High Protein Dry Cat Food, grain-free cat dry food with gut support. Solid Gold Cat Food Dry Kibble is a grain-free cat food dry kibble packed with prebiotics, probiotics, and omega fatty acids to support gut health, immunity, and a shiny coat for kittens, adult cats, and senior cats. High Protein Dry Food Cat Recipe for active cats. With 42% protein, this kibble is a high-protein dry cat food that supports energy and lean muscle, perfect for indoor or outdoor cat food dry needs. One of the best dry cat food picks for active felines. Made with chicken and whole egg, this high-protein cat food dry recipe features protein-packed chicken and whole egg to provide amino acids and support healthy metabolism in cats. Great choice for those seeking solid gold cat food with functional protein, probiotic cat food for healthy digestion and immunity. This dry food for cats supports gut flora and immunity with prebiotics and live probiotics. A great option for pet parents seeking grain-free dry cat food, healthy cat food, and high-protein cat food. Healthy ingredients cats crave. This healthy cat food contains omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, DHA, antioxidants, and superfoods to help support skin, coat, digestion, and immune health. A top choice for premium cat food and the best dry cat food for indoor cats. And finally, at number 1, Blue Buffalo Wilderness Natural Adult Dry Cat Food, Real Chicken First. This Blue Buffalo cat food is made with real high-quality chicken as the first ingredient. Packed with flavor and nutrition, this dry cat food for adult cats contains the finest natural ingredients enhanced with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to support your cat's health and wellness. Immune system support. This high-protein cat food contains exclusive antioxidant-rich LifeSource bits, healthy, wholesome ingredients. This natural cat food is made with no chicken or poultry, byproduct meals, and no corn, wheat, or soy. Contains one 12-pound bag of Blue Wilderness Natural Adult Dry Cat Food, high-protein and grain-free, chicken-enhanced imagery. We have enhanced our digital product packaging to highlight our product's ingredients and essential benefits. While the physical packaging will differ slightly, all information is accurate. So there you have it. Our top 5 cat foods available on Amazon right now. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or premium formulas, there's something on this list for every cat and every home. Let us know in the comments which one your cat loves, or if you have a favorite we didn't include. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description below to grab your favorite cat food today.